but now it's done. It brings such fun to kids in every land. We start with planes and then explain the steps to take with care. To make a box, a cup, a desk, and don't forget that chair.
Origami education starts with basic preparation. Learn the folds of firm foundation, then invent your own creation.
No need to fret if you can't get origami paper there. We'll show you how every kind of paper can become a perfect square. Just fold a corner to one side, then crease it end to end. Then cut that extra paper off. You're ready now, my friend.
Origami education starts with basic preparation. Learn the folds of firm foundation, then invent your own creation. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it every day. Fold it, everyone. Origami play. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it every day. Fold it, everyone. Origami play.
Just like molding, sculpting, folding, starting with a square.
Then with some practice, we have got this magic we can share.
There's cats and cranes and boats and trains, dinosaurs and more.
So many shapes we can create.
So much to explore. Origami education.